I've been using the Google Pixel 7 Pro for the last few days now, and I wanted to share my thoughts so far. To be fully transparent, Google did send this out to me. Thanks again, Google, and shout out to Team Pixel. Just note, however, these are my own thoughts based on my own usage. Jumping right in, I love the build and the 1440p 120Hz display on the Pixel 7 Pro. Even outdoors, it's beautifully bright. I also love that it's less curved than last year's Pixel 6 Pro, so it's easier to hold in the hand. The Pixel 7 Pro performs flawlessly. It's speedy, fast, and an overall fluid experience. The new Tensor chip certainly handles any task without issues or overheating. The fingerprint scanner this year as well has significantly improved from the 6 series. It's lightning fast, and I mean, it is night and day difference from the 6 series. It is an excellent fingerprint scanner on the 7 Pro. And there's also face unlock that is very convenient and also unlocks very fast. But the face unlock only works to unlock the device, not for app biometrics like banking apps. Fingerprint scanning is going to have to be used for that. Connectivity has been excellent this year, whereas I couldn't say the same for the Pixel 6 series. Actually, that's why I had to get rid of my 6 series because it just would never connect and I constantly had issues losing service. The modem issues have been improved on the 7 Pro. There's also been huge improvements in the Recorder app. Here's a sample of me using that Recorder app earlier today. The Google Voice Recording application on the Pixel series is incredibly intelligent. Watching it easily transcribe all of the audio as I'm speaking into the Pixel 7 Pro right now, as an example, you can see all of the transcript as I'm talking in real time. And it's even more impressive this year as I've had my Pixel 7 Pro across the room and it's easily picking up this recording. I've also just now put this in my pocket and you can still see that it's picking up the audio in the room from my voice and transcribing it here on the Pixel 7 Pro. This is one of my favorite features of the Pixel 7 Pro and something I use often when I'm recording these videos, so that way I'm able to script them out quite easily just by speaking into the device. Aside from occasionally gaming, I enjoy consuming media on the 7 Pro. The display looks awesome, really in any angle, lighting, etc. It's very immersive. I will note though, the speakers are actually worse on the 7 Pro than the 6 Pro. They're more tinny sounding and they're a bit muffled at times. It's a bit unfortunate to see Google take a step backwards here as the display is so great. It would be really nice to have great speakers to accompany that great, beautiful display. Here's a sample of the sound. More detail. But overall, I really like the design of the Pixel Watch. Now, jumping over to the Google Watch app, it has plenty of watch faces that you can easily edit to customize to your own style, your own liking, and you can change out the information that you want displayed on. As mentioned, not the greatest speakers, but I wouldn't say they're the worst on any smartphone, just not great and kind of sucks again to see them worse than the 6 Pro. Hopefully next year's speakers will be a lot better. Now for the main attraction, we have to talk about those cameras. The Pixel 7 Pro, like most Pixels before it, doesn't disappoint when it comes to those cameras, especially when it comes to video this year. This is video on the Pixel 7 Pro, the front-facing 4K 30 FPS, and this is me speaking directly into the Pixel 7 Pro without any external mic. Gotta watch my step there as I'm walking apparently, but this is just to give you an idea of the camera quality on the selfie front-facing camera using video. Again, this is 4K front-facing camera on the Pixel 7 Pro with the audio going directly into the Pixel 7 Pro. Let me know in the comments down below how that sounds. Here's a few 4K 30 FPS samples from the cameras on the 7 Pro. Google did a phenomenal job this year when it comes to video. This is the closest to Samsung or iPhone Google has got to video recording, and I have to say I'm incredibly impressed if you can't tell already. Of course, let me know your thoughts though on these video samples in the comments down below. I definitely look forward to that conversation. It is really great overall though to see Google improve upon the video recording on the Pixel series because for years the Pixels have been great at taking photos and capturing memories. However, when it comes to video, the Pixel series has lacked over the years in terms of getting very crisp, solid video that would be at least used for a lot of content creators. I think this year on the 7 Pro, Google has nailed it. Looking at all of these video samples, I'm really impressed with not just the overall colors and presentation, but just the video recording overall, the steadiness. It's just excellent. I think in terms of analyzing and focusing in on your voice as well. It does a phenomenal job at that. And then again, through movement, it has pretty good steady shot even with 4K video, which is great for someone like me who does shake often. So it's really nice to see my videos coming out pretty solid overall, especially walking like this. And again, all the colors, etc. It just looks great. Again, let me know your thoughts though in those comments down below on these video samples. And then let me know on these photo samples that I also took what your thoughts are in the comments down below as we get to those here shortly. I also wanted to note there is cinematic mode, which I played with it a little bit. I don't use that often. It does do a really good job, but I don't use it a ton. Let me know your thoughts. Pixel 7 Pro is what the 6 Pro should have been. Google nailed performance, battery, the display, and the design here. So far, I love everything the 7 Pro offers. Don't forget to subscribe, of course, for my long-term review, as I want to see how the 7 Pro ages over time. Thanks again to Google for sending this out. Shout out Team Pixel. Thank you for watching. Take care and stay safe.